This is where the big boys be playing at right here, goddamn. You can tell. You got posse? Oh. It's Dr. Rule, what it doodle. If you watching this video, ooh wee. You know I got a tune for you. Coming to you live from Lancaster, California. Stay tuned. He got one of them deals, man. We made it, we made it, we made it. By the looks of it, though. You already know it's another G-Body. This boy out here starting early in the morning. What year is this one? 78. I told y'all, man, the channel is turning into a G-Body channel. Huh?
That's what got me listening to your channel.
The G-Bodies, he said that's what got him hooked, man. I like this. He got them headlights. That's like the headlights on the 88 Monte Carlo. Got them rocks on that thing. He's bashed up. You know what I'm saying? He got the guts looking like ooh-wee. Man, and he got that digital thing up in there. Hey, y'all, look, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. These G-Body dudes is coming, man. So y'all better stop playing, man. Yeah, I gotta find out where my thumbnail gonna be. So we out here today just to do a quick street tune, man. What's under the hood looking like? Oh, and he got the suspension on that joint. Oh, kind of goodies. Yeah, man. I see. Okay, little daddy. All right. Looking all okay. Here we go. We about to get this thing tuned real quick, y'all. So y'all stick around and wait to the end. Y'all know how we do it. Oh man. So, all right, we finally got this. Gonna be the first fire up on this one right here. Somebody actually tried to previously tune it, but what I did was I adjusted some shift points. I also he told me he got 373 gears in here. So this is a 5.7 LS1 4L60E. Donor car is a 99 Firebird. He has 373 gears in the rear. So I changed the shift points. I also messed around with his little fuel a little bit. And the previous person that tuned it had his timing super high. So I changed that as well. So this is gonna be the first starter right here. See how she sounds. Hopefully the battery didn't die. There we go. Huh? Sounded good? Cool. Yeah, man. So I didn't touch his idle. His idle seemed like it was pretty fair. It sounded like it's pretty fair or whatever. So we're gonna just let this thing calm down a little bit. Let it warm up, let it learn itself. Give it about a good minute or so. Let it recharge. Because it took me probably like, I don't know, like, it was like 10 minutes. Something like, I don't know, it's like 10, 15. Yeah, so, yeah, man. We're about to get this thing done. All them stickers up in there. Like, he got, okay, that's like an extra 50. That's like an extra 15. That's like an extra 25.
We're gonna put the gurus right up here now. Let me stop.
Oh, shit, right on, man.
Right over, like it's an open area over here.
Oh shoot, man, I'm a squirrel in your world. I'm just trying to get it up, man.
That's right. All right. I know this, man. Y'all be hitting them little side streets, man.
Hey, I don't like doing it. Trust me, I be scared as hell.
There be speed bumps and cars on both sides, man.
Yeah. So we in Lancaster, y'all. So if y'all don't know where Lancaster, man, it's nothing out here. Like, this is track city. You can go 100 miles on the street. So this is the proper way we're gonna do it too.
Yeah. I'm gonna take you where they racing at and stuff.
Yeah, man. Take me where they can race. That's where I want to go. How that feel? That's right.
They got some jumps, man. They got a little stuff for burnout too.
Oh shit! Okay. right here,
Yeah,
goddamn.
we be
All them
speeding.
11s. You can pull over right here real quick, and I'm gonna remake these. All right, so now we have his car was set for 323 gears. So what I did was I set it for it to have 373 gears, and made a few more little adjustments. So now we're gonna do a burnout and test and see how it is. But so far, bro, is it really like YouTube or nah?
Oh man, it's dope. Just like YouTube, man.
For sure, man. So we gonna get it done, man. She got 22s, but he said typically he runs the 15s. So with him running the 15s, it's gonna be 9-day difference from the rims and no rims, obviously. But with him running the 15s, he gonna really be having fun. But for now, we about to get cracking on these deuces. Detail that matters, man. The little details. Oh, you see them? Y'all see my work shoes? Look at my workout. Look at my work outfit today. I came to work, baby. My work outfit, you know what I'm saying? You know what? I got this whole outfit on the deal. I don't want to take away from his video. I got this whole outfit on the deal, and I actually recorded. I'm gonna show you how to get some drip for less than $150. So you can back up, bro, so I can get that picture, and then you can do that G-body shuffle thing. Hit your. They already on. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. That's a big dude, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. Y'all know I gotta tune it right. All right, go ahead and warm them things up, man. You got posse? Oh. Don't be scared, just hit it. Go for what you know. Just come back, don't leave me. Please don't leave me. There's nobody out here. There's nobody out here. Look at that boy out here making swaps great again, man. That's nice, man. Can I get a flyby, please? That thing right there, son. Look at him. Wanna do a flyby? You can go up and bust a bench and in that, yeah. Yeah, man. That boy right there. Like I said, just don't leave me. Look at all that, boy. We out here having fun, man. I might have to come Lancaster one more time, man. I'm about to start traveling doing the tunes. You know, I normally typically do that. I mean, I don't typically travel and do tunes, because it took me about an hour and a half to get here, but I'm glad I came. I had fun, man. And I made another customer happy. So I'm about to start making appointments for you guys, man. Come get these deals while they last. And if I don't feel like enough people, oh, got the camera. I gotta get. Yeah. He should have stayed on the gas, man. I didn't hear no rumble behind it, but she looked good. She looked like bae. That boy was out here cutting up the flow, man. He was out here cutting up the flow, man. So I'm happy for him. And I'm about to get some paper. You already know. Whew. 79. Cutting up the flow. That boy out there cutting up the damn flow. Yeah, he cutting up the flow. Making 11s great again, baby. G-body channel. How was that, bro?
It was straight, man.
She good?
And the muscle was there, man.
Yeah. No, it's all good, man. It was a nice little drive, man. So I'm gonna give him one of those. Where's the other ones at, man? I'm trying to bless my boy with these things, man. He might have to. Normally I try to give him, but he might have to get that 2 first generations, man. I'm running out of stickers, y'all. Yeah, man. I just want to give him extra.
Wording on there, right?
I just want to give him some extra little 50 horsepower to take care of himself with. You know what I mean?
That's what I've been waiting on.
Extra 50 horses. You know, nothing crazy. There we go, man. I need that logo, man. That's A1. All right, y'all. So real quick, man, we pretty much finished up. We all done, man. I just gave him his sticker. You want to put your sticker on right now, man? Man, I got to give him another sticker. Matter of fact. Cool deal. So look, y'all, it's funny because I'm actually getting this on camera, man. I ain't never had My sticker has not been on one car yet. I be passing stickers out, man. They just, I don't know, they hide them and put them in their glove box, man. But my man's about to, right now, he's about to right now on camera. This is my first sticker that's going on the car that wasn't mine. So we already got the UMI. I feel so special. I feel so blessed to do this, man. To get this on camera. And with this is just kind of like, let me see. You officially been tuned. You officially been tuned. Right, see, look, let me see. So when they see that, they gonna know it's official. Ooh wee, I like that. So with the tune and all that, man, was it really worth it? Would you recommend it?
The tune was, hey man, it's great, man. All my shift points, everything is straight, man. My you know, the idle and everything is smooth, man. So hey, man, it was a blessing, man. The performance was definitely there.
Cool deal, man.
Hey, I advise anybody with LS swap, whatever you got in there, man. Hey, get this man to tune it for you.
Right on, man. So y'all heard it from the man himself, man. Y'all stay tuned and get your paper. Ooh-wee.